everybody. So today I'm going to make some tofu tacos, burritos, whatever you want to call it. So I started making these maybe last year and I really enjoy it. So we're going to do it on Taco Tuesday. But let's get to this delicious plant-based recipe idea. Let's go. So of course you need tofu. Now I'm using firm. And I did drain some of the water out, and I'm going to just break it up. And I put a little olive oil on my pan just so it won't stick. So we're going to just break this up in my little spatula thingy here. So now I'm going to use, I have a little bit of this taco seasoning left, just a little bit. And I do use my own seasonings as well. So since I have a little bit, I'm going to use the rest I have in this pack. Then we're going to add some cumin in there, like that. We're going to add some onion powder. And we're going to add some garlic powder. And we're going to just give it a mix. So what I normally do, I'm going to literally just mix this and let this like cook, turn on low, and let it cook for like maybe 40 minutes. I literally let my tofu kind of cook with the seasonings. Let it kind of get, it's going to have like a meaty look to it. We're going to let that do what it's going to do, about 40 minutes or so. And we will be ready to, do this thing. Now I'm going to add some corn. And I'm going to add some salsa. Thick and chunky salsa. This just add more flavor to it. And we're going to mix this up. And I'm mixing it up. Now you can add, I normally add like spinach. I would normally add spinach to this, but I'm not going to add none right now. I normally chop up spinach. You can add that before you make your taco, burrito, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to mix this up and we're about ready to finish this off. So I have my wheat tortilla. I like to use the wheat. And I'm going to add my mixture in the middle. Like that. That should be enough. Now, if you want to add cheese, you can. I'm just not adding any cheese right now to this one. So I'm not going to add any cheese. And we're going to fold it up. To show you how I'm fold this up, as you see this, I'm going to bring these two ends in. And I'm going to turn it around. And I'm going to just fold that and fold that. And that's it. So it's really simple. So you can wrap these up. And what I would normally probably do, is I will put it on a hot skillet and just to let it toast a little bit on each side. That's it. And you can eat it. Or you can put these in some foil, wrap them up, and they could be for lunch. You can already have it, for lunch or just to prep. So these are great to prep. So that's all. Y'all have a great day. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time. Bye-bye.